Hey guys, if you are currently in 5th grade at my school, just so you know, you have a math test tomorrow, and it is about multi-digit multiplication. And I have a strong feeling that a lot of you aren't going to study, but you are going to scroll on TikTok. So here's a video on how to do multi-digit multiplication using the box method. Here we go. Now we're going to start with, let's go 167 times 42. We're going to go ahead and draw a box like this. Our biggest number is going to get the biggest side, so we're bringing this 1 down, and it's on 100 because it's in the 100th place. Then we're going to bring our 60 down right here, and our 7 right here. Make sure we divide that up. Then we're going to bring our 42 to the side, break it down by 40 and 2. We split that up there. Now, this is our easiest box. We've got 7 times 2, which is 14. Then we have 7 times 40. I'll give you a second to think about it. 280. Then we have, let's go 60 times 2, 120. 60 times 4, 240. 100 times 40 is going to be 4,000. Oh, just kidding. I messed up here. Did you see where I messed up? Where is my mistake? 60 times 40 is 2,400. Then 100 times 2 is 200. Now you're going to take those numbers to the side, and I'm just going to go ahead and erase this over here so I have a little bit more room. I'm going to take these numbers and I'm going to add them up over here. So I've got 4,000 here. I'm going to cross it off so I know I'm done with that. I've got 2,400, 280, 200, 120, and 14. Then I'm going to go ahead and add them all up. We've got nothing plus 4 equals 4. We've got 8 plus 2 plus 1 equals 11. So I bring my 1 down here, and my 10 from that 11 I put up here. We've got 1 plus 4 plus 2. So 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 2 more is 9, and plus 1 is 10. So we're going to put a 0 here and bring up that 1 from that tens place. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 more is 7. So that should give us 7,014. Good luck on your test tomorrow. Hey 5th grade, we have our multi-digit multiplication test tomorrow, and if you saw my last video, I showed you how to do the box method or the array method, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to do partial product. So we are going to multiply, let's do 251 times 46. I'm going to separate these into their place values. So I've got 200 plus 50 plus 1 times 40 plus 6. Now, I need to multiply 200 times 40 and 200 times 6. Then I'm done with my 200. I'm going to cross it off so I know I'm done. Now I have to do my 50 times 40 and my 50 times 6. So 50 times 40, 50 times 6. Now I have 1 left. I have to do 1 times 40 and 1 times 6. 2 times 4 is 8, and then we have 1, 2, 3 zeros, so that makes it 8,000. 2 times 6 is 12, and we have 2 zeros, so that makes it 1,200. Then we have 5 times 4 is 20. We've got 2 zeros, that makes it 2,000. 5 times 6 is 30. We've got 1 zero here, so that makes it 300. 1 times 4 we know is 40, and 1 times 6 is 6. Now the last step, as always, is we add them all up. I did a terrible job of aligning place values, but make sure you align your place values when you add these up. So we've got 0 plus 6, zeros plus 4, then we've got 200 plus 300, so that's 546 so far. And then we have 8,000 plus 1,000 plus 2,000, so that'll give us 11,546. So our answer then would be 11,546. Hey 5th grade, we've got our multiplication math test tomorrow, and in the last 2 videos I showed you how to do partial product and the box method or array method. In this video I'm going to show you how to do standard algorithm. Alright, we are going to start, instead of writing our multiplication expression like this, we want to stack them on top of each other. So I'm going to rewrite it down here. I've got 123 times 45. So I want them stacked because that makes the standard algorithm work. Now I'm going to start with my 1 digit in the ones place. 5 times 3 is 15. So we're going to go through and we're going to do that for each of these numbers. We're going to do 5 times 3, 5 times 2, also known as 5 times 20, and 5 times 100, or also 5 times 1. So 5 times 3 is 15. I'm going to put that 5 here, but because that 15 has a 10 in the tens place, I'm going to put a 1 up here to save it for later. Now I'm going to do 5 times 2, which is 10, and I'm going to add the 1 here. So 10 plus 1 is 11, so we have our 1 from the 11, and then our 10 from the 11. Now we've got 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So now we're done with our 5. Now we have to move on to our 40. What's really important here is to know that the 4 is not just 4, it's 40. So it's in the tens place. So we're going to put a placeholder here because anything times 10, we put a 0 at the end. Now we have 4 times 3 is, think about it, 12. So we put our 2 here, and I'm going to put a 1 up here. Try not to get these ones confused. So now we have 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So we're going to put a 9 right here. Now we've got our last one. 4 times 1 is 4. So we're going to put our 4 right here. Our last step is to add these up. We've got 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. 9 plus 6 is 15, so we're going to put a 5 here and a 1 here. 1 plus 4 is 5. So that should make our answer 5,535.